We're going to learn how to create our own solar generator. And I like to say this is like a standalone solar system in a box. This generator that we're talking about right here is enough to run a small home office for about 6 to 8 hours, depending on what you plug into it. You can buy the toolbox almost anywhere. You can buy most of the components at your local battery store or at online. The entire unit will only cost about $230 or so, and if you get some things on sale, even cheaper. We know that this is going to be 12 volts because our system is 12 volts, and we know this particular battery here is 35 amp hours. Well, that's important to know because this is telling me I can run 420 watts for an hour, or I could run 42 watts for 10 hours. Okay, so I put in some plywood here and here so the battery will center, and then a little spacer down here so that when we do place the battery, it rests in the middle without shifting around. It's a good school project if you're wanting to do something like that as a demonstration. And when it's over, you actually have a useful tool that you can use in your everyday life at home or at work to perform almost any function. It's a great demonstration of what solar is all about and how it works.